Hey people, welcome to the live stream. And today we are going to solve problem number 9, that is the rising temperature. Okay, so let's wait for a minute and then we will start at exactly 9. Till then, I'll check whether I'm going live or not. Okay, so just give me a minute, guys. Let's start. Okay, so am I live or not? Okay, I am live. So, yeah. So it's 9 exactly. So let's start the problem. So to the people who are new to this stream or who are watching this video in the future, the plan is to solve this top 50 SQL problems or the study plan both in SQL and in Pandas. Okay. So today's problem is problem number 9. Okay, probably I haven't given in the description, but I will change that. Yeah, no worries. So let's read the description and then we will move towards the what you can say the problem statement. Oh, sorry, the solution. So we have the weather table and we have three columns, that is ID, record date, and the temperature. Okay, and ID is the column with unique values for this table, and there are no different rows with the same record date. Okay, record date is also you can consider as unique because uh, same record date is not available, and this table contains information about the temperature in a certain day. Okay, so we have date, the temperature at that particular day, and then ID. Okay, so write a solution to find all the dates ID. Okay, so we need to return the ID in the end with higher temperatures compared to its previous dates, that is yesterday. Okay, and return the result table in any order, and the result format is in the following example. Okay, so here you can see ID we have 1 2 3 4, and this is the record date, and you need to check one thing, that is record date is 1 2 3 4. It can be different also, but the thing is we need to consider record date in ascending order, that is 1 2 3 4. It can be 1 2 uh, 4 and 6 also. Okay, but it should be in ascending order, and the temperature can be anything. It can be anything 10 25, but we need to check that the second day temperature is greater than the first day, that is this 25 is greater than 10, so we need to return second ID, and 30 is greater than 20, so we need to return 4. So that is the output here. So but it is also a constraint that the record date needs to be consecutive. It cannot be 1 and 3 here. Okay, okay, so that is one thing. So that is what they have explained in this problem. Okay, okay, so let's go towards the solution now, and the solution is a bit confusing, but you will understand it. Okay, so here we are selecting, so select ID from. Okay, so then we are writing a subquery. Okay, so basically select ID from, and this is an entire query, or consider this as a single table. Okay, and then what we're doing, so forget this part now. Okay, so select star, that means all the rows. Okay, all the columns, and lag of temperature 1. So temperature 1 in the sense a previous day. Okay, and temperature is the column, and lag function is used to find or compare for the previous days, that is the lag, as the word suggests, lag. Okay, and there is also one thing, that is lead. Okay, that is to find the next days or something. Okay, some or date or anything, but lead and lag are both the window functions which you can use for the scenarios wherever necessary. So what we are doing here is we are finding lag of temperature 1, that is uh, lag of temperature, that means 25 and then 10, like that. Okay, over order by record date. Order by record date in the sense the record date is in the proper order as PT. Okay, so this lag is in the form of PT. I mean, this entire thing, oh sorry, control Z, entire thing will come as 1 as PT. Okay, and lag of record date 1. Okay, so lag of record date 1 in the sense, again 2 is looking at the 1 and 4 is looking at the 3, like that. Okay, over order by record date again as TP. So record date we are checking using TP, and temperature using PT. Okay, from weather as TT. Okay, so this entire table is considered as TT here. Okay, that is one scenario. and then TP from weather. So this is entirely one thing. So totally we are querying three things in the subquery, that is select star, that is all the columns, and then lag of temperature and lag of record date. So this lag checks that the record date is consecutive, okay, and this lag checks the temperature, okay. So these two conditions, what we are doing is after this subquery, we are giving a where condition where temperature, this temperature is greater than PT. So is greater than PT in the sense, so this lag of 1 in the sense, it this temperature checks for this lag, okay, like that. And date difference in the sense, it checks the difference of record date TP, which is 1, okay. That means it should have this record date, the day difference should be 1 exactly, so it cannot be 1 and 3 here. So if it is 1 and 3, it disqualifies this condition, okay, and it won't return that ID. So whenever these three conditions are true, we are returning the ID from that table. So if I run this, you will see that let it run, guys, okay. Yeah, so then you will understand. Oh, oh, okay, we got just the ID here, ID 2 and 4. Okay, no worries. So that is the thing. Okay, let me see this, what will happen. Let's check this, okay. Okay, so we just got ID here, okay, 1 2 3 4, all the IDs we got here. Okay, it doesn't give us anything, so let's give the condition. So basically these things will query everything. I mean, I can show you this, but okay, let me try to show this. Let me take this, Control C, and then Control A, and this. Okay, select star, lag of temperature 1 over, and lag of temperature TP from weather. Okay, let's see whether this query runs, okay, so that it will be better for understanding. Okay, so now you will see, okay, you will see now. So ID is 1 here, record date is added, temperature is added as it is, okay. So these three things are as it is, but PT and TP you will see. So PT is first is null and null, because there is nothing, okay, and because the lag of 10 is nothing, so that is why reason it is giving null. But lag of 25 is 10, that means the previous row it is returning, okay. And this 2 also previous date it is returning, so that is the thing. So it gives in the it gives 10 in the second row, 25 in the third row, like that. So 1 in the second row, like that, so that we can consider the difference or whatever you're calculating, like that, okay. So from this, what it will say, we have the where condition, right? So where temperature is greater than PT, so where temperature, this 10 is greater than PT, okay. So 10 is greater than null, it also satisfies, but it doesn't satisfies this TP, because there is no date, right? So that is why we don't get ID 1. But here this satisfies, 25 is greater than 10, and this date and this date has the difference of 1, right? So that is the reason we get the ID 2, and similarly for ID 4, okay. So hope you understand this, right? If not, like, do comment it out, I will try to explain it in a different format, okay. So let's go Control Z, Control Z, and let's go back towards the solution, and let's submit this, okay. So this is like the straightforward query, guys. A bit difficult or tricky you can consider, because lead and lag are a bit uh, advanced topics of SQL you can consider, okay. So in this format you can solve the MySQL query. So let's go to Pandas, okay. So in case of Pandas, it is also similar, but here you will see, first we are giving the data frame in the X variable, okay, and then we are sorting the values by record date in the ascending order, okay. So that is one thing. So once the record date is sorted out, we are getting the temperature difference and the recorded difference, and then we are checking if the TD is greater than 0. That means the temperature should be greater than 0, and x dot difference and PD dot time delta days 1. So record date, the difference should be 1. So I'm returning x here. Okay, so let's run x here, so that you will understand what are the tables here. Okay, so you will see that we have id 2 and 4. Okay, and the difference you will see. Okay, so td is 15 here and td is 10 here. Okay, 25, what is happening here? Why td is 15? Okay. So 25 minus 10 is 15, right? 10, 20, 25. Yeah, 15. And 30 minus 20 is 10, right? So x of td is greater than 0 in the sense it is indirectly checking whether temperature is greater than this, right? And x dot difference period of time delta days 1. So whether, okay, so to understand this, okay, let me go to ChatGPT and let me try to explain this, what is the use of this. Okay, so let's go here and let's check uh, explain time delta use. Okay, let's see whether this gives us something. Okay, time difference of duration. Okay, exactly 1 day. Okay. Okay, let's take. So basically, it checks for a day difference. It creates the time span of exactly 1 day. So if we check this, let's check this. So what is this? Let's check this number. Okay, what is this with respect to time delta? Okay, time delta, time. Okay, it will understand anyway. So, okay, yeah. So now we will get the calculation so that you will understand it. So you see that 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds, and similarly 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds is equal to 60,000 milliseconds, and similarly we get 1 day is equal to 86 400,000 something, right? So that is what we are getting here. Okay, so this is exactly in seconds, that is the entire seconds in the day. So this difference should be exactly to this number. So whenever you get this number, that means the time difference or the day difference is 1. Okay, and you finally get the id of that. So we just need to return the id. Okay, so x of what we need to return id, right? Let's see whether it will run it or not, but yeah, let's try this. Okay, it accepted. Let's submit it. Hey buddy. Okay, so our solution got accepted. Hope you understood this, guys, right? I did not confuse you this time like yesterday's problem. Okay, so pretty much clear from this, right? So we are checking the temperature wherever it is greater than the that column, that is temperature column, and the time difference using time delta is exactly 1. Okay, so based on that we can calculate the rising temperature of previous days which is greater. Okay, so hope you understood something from this problem statement or learned something from this problem statement. And if you do hit that subscribe button, and till then, take care. Bye bye.